Hello everyone, I am Namrata Phule and in today's video I am going to talk about skeletal system. The skeletal system functions as the basic framework of a body and entire body are built around the hard framework of a skeleton. It is the combination of all the bones and tissues associated with the cartilages and joints. Almost all the rigid or solid parts of the body are the main components of a skeletal system. Joints plays an important role in the skeletal system as it helps in permitting different types of movements in different locations. If skeletal were without joints, then there would be no sign of movements in the human body. So, let's talk about skeletal system anatomy. It is divided into axial skeletal and appendicular skeleton and it consists 206 bones. Axial skeleton. The axial skeleton runs along the body's central axis. Therefore, it is called as central core of the human body. In axial skeleton, it is composed of 80 bones and it consists of first skull bone. It is also called as cranial bones. It includes 8 cranial bones, 14 facial bones and 6 auditory ossicles and hyoid bone. And the second is the bone of vertebral column. It includes 24 vertebrae bones and the sacrum bone, 8 coccyx bone. Then next is appendicular skeleton. It is composed of 126 bones and it comprises the pelvic girdle, upper limbs, lower limbs and shoulder girdle of the pectoral. Then skeletal system physiology. The primary function of skeletal system include movement, support, protection, production of blood cells, storage of minerals and endocrine regulation. First is support. Skeletal system provides framework to the human body. Protection. The skeletal system also helps to protect different internal organs. For example, skull protects the brain, spinal cords and lungs. Our cranium, skull, protects our brain, eyes, ribs, protects our heart, and vertebrae protects spines and backbones. Then third function is movement. Bones provides the basic structure for the muscles to attach themselves onto our bodies and they are able to move. Tendons are tough, inelastic bands that attach our muscles to the particular bone. Then storage. The bone matrix of the skeletal system is mainly involved in storing and preserving different types of minerals, such as body cells and tissues. The cell matrix acts on a calcium ions into the blood and cells required. Then, fifth function is regulation of endocrine glands. The bones present in the skeletal system plays an important role in the synthesized hormones from respective endocrine glands for the further requirements by the body for different metabolisms. Apart from these functions, the skeletal system also contribute the regulation of blood sugar level and also blood cells are formed in the bone marrow which is also called as hematopoiesis which is most important process of the blood formation in the bones. That's all about skeletal system and different types of skeletal system and functions of skeletal system. Thank you.